my name is Luiza. I am a 17-year-old high schooler from Belo Horizonte, Brazil, and I want to share a little bit about my experience in the Jumpstart Your College essay workshop that I attended back in March with Write the World. So, as an international student who really wants to study abroad in top schools in the US, I had a lot of doubts about the college application. Therefore, I was very lucky to encounter this workshop because I could understand not only the basics of essay writing, but as well as to receive personal feedback on my writing, to brainstorm ideas, as well as to meet other high schoolers. Moreover, the workshop allowed me to just reflect, initiate a process of self-knowledge about my trajectory and how to put the best version of myself through words to present to colleges. So it was an amazing experience that I really recommend to you all. I hope you enjoy as much as I did the workshop. Bye bye!